In this video, we are going to learn how to use the mirror command in Siemens NX. Let's take the example from the real life as we use the mirror in our daily life. So, if I ask to you where the image forms, the image used to form behind the mirror. Same case will be get applied here. So, if I want to get the image of this object in the right hand side, so for that the mirror position should be the vertical axis. And if I want the image of the same below of it, so the mirror should be at the horizontal axis. Now let's check through the demonstration. Let's go to the mirror command. And here I'm going to select these curves. Then here I'm going to select the center line as this. So this is how it will get mirrored in the right hand side. Just apply this. Same, I will again select all these curves, and here the center line is going to be this. So the mirror image should be formed at the below of this object. So this is how you can use the mirror command. And here we have the option of create persistent relation. If you want to know the details of the persistent relation, you can watch my video on the polygon command, as the persistent relation has been described there thoroughly. I will attach the link of the polygon command in this video so that you can reach to the persistent relations. So this is how you can use the mirror curve command in the Sketcher environment. So that is all in this video. I hope you have enjoyed the learnings of the mirror command. Please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.